So students, as you all know that vector is that quantity which have magnitude as well as direction, right? This we have done earlier, that in case of scalar we have only magnitude, but in case of vectors we have both, that is magnitude as well as direction. So if I define any vector f that is equal to xt of I plus yt of j plus zt of k, here you can see that xt is your x component and I cap is the unit vector along x axis. Yt is y component and j cap is your unit vector along y axis, right? Next, zt is z component and k cap is your unit vector along z axis. So here I have defined magnitude as well as direction also, right? These I cap, j cap, k cap are representing the directions along x, y and z axis. Clear? So here in this lecture we will see that how we will find the derivative of vectors, right? So if I take derivative of this f of t, then it becomes f dash t, that is equal to x dash t I plus y dash t j plus z dash t k, right? So here what we are doing is that we are differentiating these components, right? Derivative of xt become x dash t, derivative of yt become y dash t and derivative of zt become z dash t. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सिंपल है. जैसे भी हम डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या है, हम कंपोनेंट वाइज ले रहे हैं. जो x कंपोनेंट है उसका डेरिवेटिव, y कंपोनेंट का डेरिवेटिव और फिर z कंपोनेंट का डेरिवेटिव, और उनके अलोंग क्या है, i कैप, j कैप, k कैप, जो क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्शन वेक्टर की अलोंग x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस. ठीक है. So let's discuss one problem related to this concept, right? So next is, here in example we need to find derivative of vector valued function, that is r vector is equal to 3t cube plus t I cap plus 5 log t j cap plus 5t square 3t minus 5 k cap, right? So here you can see that we have defined vector r vector, right? So let's start the solution. Here your r vector is given as 3t cube plus t I cap